This $56,900 Cadillac isn't just a car, it's a rolling palace from the final golden age of American luxury. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a journey into a time when luxury wasn't measured by screens, technology, or speed numbers. It was measured by presence, craftsmanship, comfort, and the feeling you got when a Cadillac arrived. This is the 1977 Cadillac Coupe DeVille, a magnificent piece of American automotive history finished in elegant Bimini Beige and valued at $56,900. In the late 1970s, Cadillac represented the highest level of American luxury. It was the car chosen by executives, celebrities, and those who wanted to make a statement without saying a word. The Coupe DeVille was not built to chase the latest trends. It was built to dominate the road with confidence, elegance, and effortless style. The first thing that captures your attention is the unmistakable Cadillac design. The long hood, wide stance, and graceful body lines create a silhouette that instantly tells you this is something special. This example wears a beautiful Bimini Beige exterior paint, giving it a sophisticated appearance that perfectly matches the luxury personality of the Coupe DeVille. Adding even more character is the classic brown half vinyl top, a signature feature of the era that transforms this Cadillac from a large coupe into a true luxury statement. The factory-style pinstripe adds a refined finishing touch, showing the attention to detail that Cadillac buyers expected. Up front, the legendary Cadillac face remains unforgettable. The iconic grille, elegant chrome details, and Sentinel headlights create a look that feels formal and prestigious. The power antenna completes the traditional luxury appearance, reminding everyone that this was an era when even small details mattered. Rolling underneath this classic Cadillac are beautiful 15-inch chrome wire wheels wrapped with traditional white wall tires. This combination perfectly represents 1970s luxury styling. The chrome shines brightly, while the white walls give the Coupe DeVille that unmistakable Cadillac elegance that modern vehicles simply cannot recreate. But this Cadillac is not only about appearance. Under the hood sits the legendary Cadillac 425 cubic inch V8 engine, a smooth and powerful engine designed for effortless cruising. Instead of chasing aggressive performance numbers, Cadillac focused on delivering quiet power, reliability, and a comfortable driving experience. The 425 Ci V8 works together with the legendary TH400 3-speed automatic transmission, one of the most respected automatic transmissions ever produced. Known for its strength and smooth operation, this transmission helps deliver the relaxed driving experience that Cadillac owners loved. Behind the wheel, the Coupe DeVille feels exactly how a luxury car should feel. The power steering makes this large coupe easy to control, while the power brakes with front discs provide confident stopping power. Every mechanical component works together to create a calm, effortless ride. This particular Cadillac also features a carefully detailed underside, showing the commitment to preserving this classic machine. With a new exhaust system, factory catalytic converters, and new hardware, this Coupe DeVille is prepared to continue cruising for years while maintaining its authentic character. Open the door, and the luxury experience continues. Inside, you are welcomed by a beautiful tan leather interior that surrounds passengers with comfort and elegance. The spacious cabin represents an era when American cars were designed like private lounges on wheels. The front cabin features a comfortable split bench seat with armrests, allowing passengers to relax during long highway journeys. With power seats, drivers can easily find the perfect position, while power windows and power locks add convenience that was considered premium technology in the 1970s. The luxury features continue with cruise control, allowing effortless highway driving and automatic climate control, keeping the cabin comfortable in any weather. The tilt steering wheel provides additional driving comfort, while the AM/FM radio completes the classic experience. Even the smaller details show Cadillac's dedication to luxury. The car features remote mirrors, factory carpeted floor mats, and carefully designed interior touches that make every drive feel special. The 1977 Cadillac Coupe DeVille represents something that has nearly disappeared from the automotive world, a vehicle built around comfort, elegance, and personality. It was a time when cars had character, when every line of the body had purpose, and when arriving somewhere in a Cadillac was an event. Today, collectors appreciate these cars because they represent the final years of traditional American luxury before the industry changed forever. A well-preserved Coupe DeVille like this one offers a rare opportunity to experience the smooth ride, classic styling, and incredible presence of a true Cadillac. The combination of the 425 Ci V8, TH400 automatic transmission, Bimini beige exterior, brown wire wheels, tan leather interior, and extensive factory options creates a perfect example of 1970s Cadillac elegance. The 1977 Cadillac Coupe DeVille is more than just a classic car. It is a time capsule from an era of luxury, confidence, and American automotive excellence. A machine designed not only to transport people, but to make every journey feel important. This is the Cadillac Coupe DeVille, a symbol of elegance, a piece of history, and a reminder of when luxury ruled the road.